So what's up, you guys? I know I haven't been on my channel yet to talk to you guys and let you guys know everything that's going on, but I am ready to make my next video, and it's gonna be rearranging Cole's room. We already have some decor up already. Got pictures on the walls. His LED lights. We have his toy stand, toys, Lego boxes, bins. I'm going to change out the dressers because he does have a black bed, which is new. I'm going to change out all his dressers. I'm going to have him a window shelf and everything else. And then my next project is going to be my glitter wall in my bedroom. I started on it maybe in March, but I always ran out of glitter. So I have that section to that section left, and this wall, the light gray wall, I have to finish that whole wall. It does require a lot of glitter, but I will show you guys step by step how I got this glitter wall. So those two projects will be my next projects, so be on the lookout for a video, you guys.